Here we have number 1. Suppose you roll 6-sided dice 4 times. A. How many possible outcomes are they? So let's visually see it. Here's the first row, second row, third row, and fourth row. The first one, we have 6 options. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those options repeat again for our second row. Those options again repeat 6 options for the third row, and they again repeat the same amount for the fourth row. So now we just use the basic counting principle where we multiply 6 4 times. 6 times 6 times 6 times 6. This gets you 1,296 total possible outcomes, right? And again, you'll see it by if you do the tree diagram, right? Those 6 numbers will split off 6 times, right? That's why it's being multiplied by 6, okay? It is not being multiplied by 4. Next, what is the probability that you get 4 different numbers? So this is a probability. So we want 4 different numbers, and this is going to be divided by the total. We already know the total is going to be 1,296 from the top. But to get 4 different ones, right? Like this is, the first one would be 6, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The next one would be 5 choices only because one of them was removed. So, and then 4 for the third one, because again, one was moved. Then you get a different number for the fourth one. So 6 times 5 times 4 times 3, this gets you 360. So that's what you want, 360. You multiply this, 360 divided by 1296, you get a decimal of 0.277 multiplied by 100. You get roughly, I'm going to round 27.78%. That is the probability that you get 4 different numbers.